If you want to create a pop-up discount on Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First, go to Shopify App Store and install a pop-up filter app like Privy, Pop-up Smart, or just Uno. For this one, I will be using a Power Pop-up app. Now, once installed, you're going to open the app from your Shopify admin or from the apps section. And then from here, you're going to create a new pop-up campaign and design it using the drag and drop editor. So in order for you to do that, you're going to click on create new pop-up. And then from here, you're going to search or you're going to look for a free pop-up template for your website. Or you can also start from scratch or you can generate with AI as well. So for this one, I will just be using the first template that comes up. So I'm going to click on select template. And then from here, we're going to use the drag and drop editor in order to make a difference with this template. So if you want to add an element, you can just click on add element right here, and it's up to you on how you're going to customize this one. What I want you to know is that all of the elements or the tools that you have to use is right here at the left panel. Now, you can also set display triggers like show on exit intent or after 10 seconds on page and target specific pages or devices. It all depends on you. Now, after you edit this template right here, you can click on preview for you to preview how it's going to look like on your website, or you can also go straight into publish. Now, click on publish, and then we're going to name this app. So for example, I'm going to put in awesome and then click on save. And then from here, it's going to ask us where we want to install the pop-up. So we can install it everywhere, basically where we want it to pop up in our page. So for this one, I'm just going to click on home page, and then I'm going to click on install in Shopify theme editor. Now it's going to lead us to our website editor where it will be added as an embed. So you will see it right here turned on. As you can see, it is turned on in the app embeds, and then it's going to pop up anytime somebody opens our website. Finally, we're just going to have to update the campaign, and then we're going, as you can see, this is how it looks like. So we're going to have to just save this in order for it to be saved in our website, and that's it. That is how you can create a pop-up discount on Shopify. I recently created a 1 hour long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.